If you are an online reseller, you should definitely be shopping retail arbitrage at Kohl's. I'm a clothing reseller, so that's what I focus on, but they also have some electronics and home goods. Here are 6 tips to help you make the most of retail arbitrage at Kohl's. The first tip is to always shop with their credit card, or at the very least sign up for the reward system, which is tracked by phone number. The reason for this is that you're going to get special coupons and discounts on your app and sent to your house, and also you earn rewards and points which turn into Kohl's Cash, which allow you to re-spend at the store. For every dollar that you spend, you earn a certain amount. Just make sure that you pay off your credit card every month. Tip number 2 is to go through every clearance section because they all get jumbled up. They have a juniors women's, juniors men's, and then a regular women's, regular men's, and then they have special sizes women's, but it all kind of gets mixed up, so make sure you go through all the sections and look through every item. I think that employees just get lazy and put things back in the wrong place, or customers put things back in the wrong place. Tip number 3 is to be wary of their house brands. They have a lot of house brands such as Sonoma and brands that they manufacture themselves, so I'll let you research those, but be wary of those because those are going to have the lowest resale value. I try to focus more on licensed products like movies, pop culture. They have a lot of Disney stuff, band tees, Christmas items, those sort of things. Otherwise, you're going to want to focus on brands like Levi's, Nike, Columbia, Vans, those kind of brands that have good reputations. Tip number 4 is to look at the price tags of every item because a lot of times they'll have the same item marked 2 different prices. I'm guessing they just miss marking one. Often when I get to the register, the price is actually less than what it's marked on the tag. They probably just can't keep up with how fast they're marking things down. That's always a nice surprise. Tip number 5 is to be really friendly with the employees. Always be sweet to them, especially at the register, because a lot of times they have coupons sitting back there. A lot of times they'll send out coupons to their customers like a mystery. You either get 20, 30, or 40% off, so you'll get 20 in your email, but a lot of times the employees have that 40% sitting back there, and if you're sweet to them and just make them smile, they might be willing to scan that 40% off coupon for you. And the 6th and final tip for shopping retail arbitrage at Kohl's is to always shop in store. I've tried to shop online and they just don't have as low prices on there, and it seems like they put their really low clearance all in the store.